Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to turn any photo into a colorful magical portrait using DreamFace app. The process is super easy and takes only a few taps, and you can do it directly from your phone. Okay, let's get started. First, just open DreamFace app, and if you don't have it yet, you can just download it from the Google Play Store. And then once the app installed, just log into your account and don't worry about the credits because DreamFace provides free daily credits, so you can try this effect without spending anything. And then after that, after logging in, just look for the AI filter sections. Just tap on it, this one, and then you will see many different styles available in here. And then in here we're going to use a painting style effect that creates colorful artistic portraits. So just scroll down and then just go to the stylistic paintings sections, this one, and then next just tap on the magic portrait like this, and then this is the filter that will create the dreamy colorful painting effect with the vibrant lighting and artistic brush strokes details. And then next just upload the photo. For the best result, just use a clear photo with good lighting and a visible face. For example, in here I want to choose this one, and then next just simply tap animate like this and wait for the process. And okay, like this, there it is. Just look at the transformations. The original photo has been turned into a stunning result like this. It's like you painting yourself at the canvas like this with the colorful painting with soft artistic texture and then vibrant colors. And I think it has a magical fantasy atmosphere. And even the face remains recognizable, but now it looks like a professional digital artwork. And honestly, the result looks amazing considering it only took a few taps. And okay, that's it. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!